Red one eases off and takes them down to right, which indicates to me he's starting the show rolling. Red one gives his time. You'll see red 6 and 7 collapse in time. Red 1 followed by red 8 and 9 to 4. Our world famous Diamond 9. Team is led by red 1 second year as the team leader, squad leader John Bond. John Bond used to be a Typhoon pilot. He's also a qualified flying instructor on the Tucano, where he was the Tucano straight pilot in 2012. From the right, in our Diamond 9, once again, it's the Red Arrow. On the right hand side of red 1 is red 2, flight attendant Rob Thomas. Rob is in his first year at the team. Uniquely, he was taken from training and made straight to the instructor on the Hawk Team Mark 1. This is Concord. On the left hand side, that centre stem is red 3. Flight attendant Andrew Stewart, known as Maka. Maka is in his first year at the team. Uniquely, he flew in the AVAB Harrier variant while on stage with the United States Marine Corps before then coming back. At the back of that formation, on the right hand side, is red 4, currently the critical talent working extremely hard. He's having to look through the entire formation, look at red 1. With all our formations red. As we go into the second half, we start in the same way as in last year because the government is so popular. This is the 5-4-6. And in the second half, we operate in 2 distinct sections. Off to the left-hand side, got red 1 through 5, known as Enid, named after Enid Blyton, taking 5 from the children's book. Off to the right-hand side, 6, 7, 8 and 9, known as Hannah, named after squad leader Ray Hannah, one of the first members of the Red Arrows, the only team leader to lead the team for 4 years. He took the team from a 7 to a 9 and formed our world famous Diamond 9. Enid from the left, Hannah from the right, for the 5-4 cross. Keep your eye on Enid to our right hand side. Number 4 roll goes. Number 4 rolls round the slope in the twister. Tiffany trail on red 1. In the middle is red 5. Right then is Justin Wales, known as Justin. Second year in the team. 54 forward. In the former Typhoon pilot is 11 children. Former Typhoon instructor on 29. Barrel roll, followed by a cross, second barrel roll, in a manoeuvre simply called the double roll.
Yeah, I just missed that.
Look to your left hand side, Enid coming back in, joined by red 8 and 9. And 8 and 9 roll goes. The ball called by Spain by red 9 as they roll around the slope in the corkscrew. And again, it's a great opportunity to see our famous red, white and blue. much further in the sky, in the surface. Of course, again, you can see our famous red, white and blue. That is taken into the smoke pod on the belly of the aeroplane. That smoke pod has approximately 5 minutes of white smoke, 1 minute of red smoke and 1 minute of blue smoke. These are the smoke colours having their own button on the pilot's control column. And during winter training, both red 1 and red 6 pump and smoke pod planned to ensure we have the right colour smoke at the right time in the display and we don't run out. Red 2, 3, 4 and 5 now moved off alongside red 1. We're going to be going hard coming up to 4G, looking 90 degrees along their shoulder line as the smoke comes on from the right hand side in the tango. And all around the front of the red 6. If you're a show sensor, you can count the aeroplanes with me. You can see 6, 8 and 9 behind the smoke is red 7 in the Tempest. You are reared up directly to your front. Enjoy.
The box, and as I said, a very unique shape here. It's a tandem two-seat aircraft, so you can bring the passengers with you as well. Designed back in Germany in 2009, and it's a very, very comfortable touring machine. It really is a very nice machine. I've seen it inside it, and I've never exceeded on this, so it's about max speed, about 120 miles per hour. But it normally cruises at around 100 miles an hour. Rate of climb is pretty deep, it's 1200 feet per minute, and it can take off in a car park, so you can take off like a truck, about 10 meters rolling. And actually depends on the day. If you had a windy day like today, you could practically take off in about 5 meters, which is what you need to do. Take off, depending on the weather, 7 meters normally. And the landing distance, as I said, pretty much crazy time coming through. Pushing the controls left, right, and also using the rudder at the back of the aircraft to make it gyrate like that. This aircraft is actually possible because you've got that massive lift from the rotor blade on top. When you stop and point the aircraft into the wind, it'll just hover there like a helicopter. Also gyros were was the Blackpool air show. What date was that Blackpool air show? 1909. Were you here? I was the 23rd of October. And I'll be talking to him a little bit later on because this is our event organizer. We're going to be going through it with Owen about who does what, where they do it, how they do it, in about 10 minutes time. So get ready because I want to know the whole history of it. And the name also gyro was a trade name for the make of aircraft. Now, as I said, we call them gyrocopters or gyroplanes. But also gyros, just gyro. They were the first rotary wing aircraft to fly successfully under safe control. So way before supporting the event of the helicopter, this rotor blade was flying around the sky. And today it is roughly about 30. So this can go up to 40 knots of wind, which is pretty impressive. Small aircraft.
I'm not taking more with the same time.
And also the thing I like about it is quiet.
I'm not
It's quiet. Of course, if you're an old Bond fan, you'll recognise this. The also gyro, which is Sean Connery. from Nelly, the famous auto driver from Blackpool, Nelly. All road craft exhibit its ability to handle strong and choppy winds. Stable, continues to slide. Hopefully we will flowing over the rotor blade at the top, and now he's just pitched the nose down. That'll make the aircraft move forward. Watch out, move from left to right in front of us. Waving away, don't see him waving, give him away back. Can see you waving, don't be shy, give him away. You can definitely see you waving. Very capable aircraft to learn on, because the head aircraft is not far from the people all operating at low level training. Later on the version, it's actually replay.
Can we get that way? Yeah.
From the right, it's the comrade. There, the actual either side. On the right, white, red on black nose. And justice. On the big drop on the top turn and the silver. Again, I can't express it on the good up. That's very good evidence. And fight formation like that, it's just 25 knots. And that takes off to the side. Also, you'll notice the captain shoots the wheels, they don't fully retract. So get ready for the comrade brake. So as I said, these are going to go to the left. That's the area for the jet seats. Out there, right yesterday. Nice after the this aircraft. It's got a nose kit, so unlike quite replicate. There's a 4 or 5 seater. This one is powered by 9 with a 400 radial horsepower. It shares a lot of systems from aircraft. From the tourist aircraft, the 5 horsepower battery capable. power. So the F-52 instead, and we've got a spare always. And I think that's too far. It's relatively cheap, and it's not on top where a lot of people get 2 or 3 people going down £20,000. And that's it. Got yourself a quasi. Here it comes again from the right hand side. Focus to is the F-18. Still harder to get the control. Then behind him we've got the yellow, black nose, white nose. One open rear attack. Most produced by injecting most guys highly so coming in for the last time they can get the cameras ready. It's a flying comrade at Blackpool 2025. And there they go, they're heading off into the distance from Blackpool. One locomotive, where pilots had not with unusual opposition aboard major messages to keep involved. Look, closer at home, heading out over the water. If you want to know more about the aircraft rules, think about joining the and we're there with sold as well. Floating down. Airborne time of 18 hours and 12 minutes and 4 days. Not only is he a genuine warbird, but he's also a record holder.
So graceful.
Now, training the night and it wasn't going a lot faster because the headwind that was pretty easy to. So here it's looking out first with the aircraft and the cross control using the runners, snap back around. A little bit of an odd line there. Now you'll keep an eye on the aircraft. Watch when it turns around and it's got the wind behind it. You'll see it's like speeding up. That's the wind pushing it on. Outside turn, horrible negative G. So instead of positive G that pushes you down the plane, that's negative G. And all the fluid in the body comes up. Full flight change the roll out of that. And back out on speed axis. Now watch me pitch the aircraft up, reverse, rolling, snap rolling all the way up to the top, inverted aircraft, back to the inverted, 2 aileron rolls, and again outside, big lift right way up. Oh, pitching back up. Now we've got a lot of speed. Watch this. Half roll, half roll. Coming down. Speed building up. The aircraft can roll about 400 degrees a second. So that's more than one full rotation in a second. Just get inside the top trial, we can get an idea of that feels like. Again, more trap on the top. 3 of them. We would normally have a buoy, like a big yellow marker out, to make that aircraft stand still in the air. Here it comes back down. Heading up. Reverse the gear. Take your mind up. Not the right, left the right. Again, reverse. Positive at the top, and then coming back, translate that. Negative back down. Incredibly strong this aircraft. With the bind, the 2 wings, you see the big strut between them, and yes, that does cause a lot of drag on the airframe, but it gives you amazing strength, so you can put a lot of load on both wings, and they'll support each other. He's going to translate 1, 2, 3 rolls. Set. And then back out towards the pier. Into the vertical, snap rolling all the way up. Put the rudder at the top. Now watch as you pull back on power. Just hang. And that's the torque from the propeller making the aircraft spin. So when the aircraft, where the propeller is rotating around the top, it's not counteracting with the rudder, or it's letting the actual movement of the propeller for the consistency of 5 knots. And there's the hand here like that. See how quickly when you get into the wind. The wind is getting lower. Just go to 9 knots now. Once you start into the wind, it slows right back down. So give them away when you. Here we go into the vertical. I want you to pull back. Wrist is good with, and muscle. Ladies and gentlemen, team race at Blackpool 2025. Once the aircraft picked up, hanging up all dimensions to go through. See, they've got landing gear now, so they'll have a come back together. So, and back out 45. by the University of Wales. And that's 40th inch. Right in the craft center. Once it's back out the other side, that's barrel roll. Perfect shape of that. Back out. Now from the left, 40th back down. And as you can see, red arrows can do, the raiders can do. Rolling around the outside, 1, 2, and 3. That's number 4. The back scale William Sarber. Back they come out, they'll flip as well. And all this aircraft. 5 as well heading out. Now, we can smoke on a little bit. The other pilot. Unfortunately, see how quickly that smoke is blown away? And this is not by the end, of course. The type of smoke is the air comes back. Moves out to the right, one coming in from the right hand side. The pair of Ravens. They'll come in, like right. Take the aircraft up again. Top of that, all the way around the other side, back out. As I said, these aircraft are well lights are on, smoke is on, and we're running straight out. And there you go for the race. Putting up their lead speed, Simon Sterling, number 2 behind him as he follows down to Peter Wells, and Russ Well, final of those 3 aircraft. We're under 3. There they are. Now back again, Vic. Picking up, roll formation. Once get the cameras ready as he comes down to the box into the split. Come from the right, ladies and gentlemen. Flight marker was built by the British Aircraft Corporation in Warden, in Lancashire. It will be serviced with the Royal Air Force of Oman. Aircraft youngest of flight marker Heather Produced, built as a one-off. 86. Aircraft only a little over 2,500 hours. There's bullet holes on it, so it's a real war there. That's brown. So the aircraft is going to be flown by Sean Dickinson and Rudy. Sean is the Royal Air Force Mission 2 and red arrows. On the right and the left. Airline pilot captain 28320. Tornadoes, multinational enterprises will operate on the road. Back in. Translates that to those guys down. So look up to the left-hand side of the welcome. So yeah, as I said, have a look at all the moonwalking. Still on the DPI player, and that'll give you an in-depth look at the race. So there's 60 aircraft up, Dave Barrel leading the team, straight into the loop, look at the hanging on to the top of the wing. Top joint, lead wing walker there, she's been walking for 7 years, and you see at the end of the war. And once the aircraft pitch down and they come heading towards each other, then the red aircraft up, and the front almost everything as well. So a lot of the times the Delta experiencing up to 4 or 5 feet straight down, left and right, and look at the girls as they lie sideways, on their harness. And there they go, flip themselves around the right way. So, now, get the binoculars out. We're coming towards the end of the show. Ladies starting to move around at the top of the wing. And they just will transfer now. You can see them unstrap themselves from the actual top of the wing. And now they're going to move forward. Watch the girls on the top. Standing on the top of the wing, not crouching. Ballet maneuvers head off into what is glorious sunrise. what we are and the fun starts going on all in life in the world. But coming in now from the right hand side, as I told you, wonderful, wonderful chipmunk. And not huge amount of power available as you can see. So training aircraft, so they did not want them too powerful that would get the huge pilots in a lot of trouble. And with that, together with the windy conditions we have today, people are flying into the wind. Aerobatic. You'll run down the car. Not a good idea. As you can see again, fixed undercarriage, keep it simple. Good tail dragging experience as well. So if you have not done 10 tail dragging, you want to go into a harbour. Aircraft very different at Blackpool Airport for the weekend. Not their aerobatic. All coming time out and landing. And you work required. The aircraft and trained the pilots that then went on to the private pilots. They required this now, tell which one was the original engine in it, because that's the one doing the aerobatic. So it's heading on its way towards it. I'm looking on my radar, and there is a spitfire there as well. Then I've got to road. Spitfire and the left hand to it. With the lane that's fine. It's a good view for it. So finally coming in, straight into Cloud Centre John Hurl, at control of the T-10 at Royal Air Force Chipmunk. Fantastic space on, challenging conditions. Rolling that aircraft out. Roll there. outside turn. 3 times the turn body weight, push it all through. Pull it over at the top. You want to step down. For a high-speed car. The car is now never coming down. What was it there?
Other things, you know, the narrow things and lead the way, kiddo, lead the way.
But they said the first fire that we got was of 14,500. There was a coach with 4 times camouflage defense, numerous slaves for it, and played a top pilot Bill Benson flight in. And also, one of the actual hurricanes that steered in that equipment from Citizen Star as well. Look at that picture. start bouncing off the wing. Mark 19. Is the longest aircraft on Blackpool Memorial Flight. Cockpit. The aircraft are rolling out now. Let's get the fighter aircraft going up with the team. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure doing the first day here at the Blackpool Air Show. Go for us, and thank you.